Step 1. Install the fan blades. Pull out the R-type latch and cross latch, and take away the fan blade cover and the screws on the reserved fan blade first. Install the 5 fan blades on the motor and tighten them with screws. Install the appropriate length of boom for maximum efficiency and comfort. Your fan should be located 8 to 9 feet from the ground. The horizontal latch and a tight bolt shall be inserted at the hanger joint and fixed with 2 safety screws to prevent the hanger from falling off from the main engine. Step 2. Pull down the switch. Select appropriate screws to fix the support according to different sealing materials. Put the boom into the hanger. Put the boom into the hanger. Controller wiring. The output line is 3 lines, which are connected with the corresponding color on the motor, and the input line is 2 lines, which are respectively connected with the live line and 0 line of the power supply. Rotate the bell upward and clip it into the screw slot, and tighten the screws. The remote control receiving line needs to leak out. Press the lampshade according to the bayonet position and rotate it to lock it. Turn on the power and use the remote control to check whether the fan and light can be turned on normally.